Subscribe to Anu's Food Cart, click on the bell icon and select the option all to get notification whenever I post a new video. Hello friends, welcome to Anu's Food Cart. Today I am going to share the recipe of Appam, which is one of the most popular Kerala breakfast recipes. Without any further delay, let us quickly jump into the recipe. I have taken 2 cups of idli rice and soaked it in water. 3 tablespoons of sugar. 3/4 cup of thick coconut milk. Half a cup of tender coconut water. Half a teaspoon of instant dry yeast, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and water as required. I have used 1 3/4 cup of water. I have taken 2 cups of idli rice, soaked it in water for 3 to 4 hours and washed it really well until the water runs clear. Then drain off the water and keep it aside. Take half of the soaked rice into a mixer jar and add tender coconut water to it. Idli rice is easily available in all Indian stores and supermarkets. Now grind it into a coarse paste. Here we have the paste ready. Now take 3 tablespoons of the paste into a pan and add 1/4 cup of water to it. I have added 1/4 cup of water to it just to thin it down into a lump-free mix. Then add another cup of water and mix well. Place this mix onto a stove top and cook it on low flame. Do not forget to stir it continuously, okay? Else it will lump up. Turn off the flame once it thickens. Let it cool down slightly and add the cooked batter to the mixer jar. Make sure the mixture is warm. Then add the remaining rice, instant yeast, sugar and half the quantity of coconut milk. Now grind it into a very fine batter. Active dry yeast can also be used instead of instant yeast. Soak half a teaspoon of active dry yeast to a 1/4 cup of lukewarm water and add a teaspoon of sugar to it. Mix it well and keep it aside so that it blooms up. It can be used once it bubbles up. I prefer to use instant yeast because it can be directly added into the dough and it is easily available online, and I'll provide the link below in the description box. Do not forget to check it out. Now transfer the ground batter into a large container. Add the remaining coconut milk to it and mix well. The batter has to coat the back of the spoon as shown here. Can you see? This is how we want it. Now cover it and let it ferment for about 4 to 5 hours and keep it in a warm place. The fermentation time of the batter totally depends upon the temperature at your place. The temperature at my place is somewhere around 30 to 35 degrees Celsius, due to which it has taken very less time to ferment. But if you live at a colder place, it will definitely take around 8 to 10 hours for the batter to ferment. But do not worry, I have a small tip for all those who live at cold places. Take some warm water into a large container and place the container of batter into it. Make sure the water level is at least 1 inch high. Keep changing the water as it comes to room temperature and do it twice or thrice, and then keep it at a warm place to ferment. Else you can also turn on the lights of your oven and place the batter into it and let it ferment. After 4 hours, can you see how nicely the batter has fermented? It has nicely bubbled up. Now mix it up well. Add salt to this batter and mix well. Can you see the batter is slightly thicker? I'll add about half a cup of water to it and mix well. Now our batter is ready. I have taken an appam pan here. It is called as appachatti. It looks like a kadai but is slightly smaller in size and it has a round bottom. You can also take dosa tawa instead of appachatti. Now heat it on medium flame and pour a ladleful of batter into the pan. Lift the pan and swirl it to form appam as shown here. I have reduced the flame to low medium. Here you see the sides are thinner than the center. That is exactly how we want it. Now cover it up and cook it on low medium flame for 2 minutes. I have not greased my pan with oil because I have used non-stick pan. But if you have an iron pan, do not forget to grease it well, else it will be very difficult for you to take off the appam from the pan. Now open the lid and the appam is well cooked. Can you see? Now loosen the appam from the pan with a spatula and take it off onto a plate. I'll show you one more. This time we'll cook it for 3 minutes so that the sides are slightly crispier and golden. You can make it however you want to, crispy or soft. Both way it tastes amazing. Can you see the sides are slightly golden? So our appam is ready. Wasn't it very easy? I hope you all will try out this recipe at home and let me know through the comment section below how it turned out for you. I love to have it with egg roast, but it can be had with vegetable stew, chicken stew, mutton stew or any spicy gravy of your choice. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for many more such beautiful recipes. Also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys with another yummy recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Without any क्या हुआ? Be off. Sorry. Okay. Okay, sorry.